Alright guys, welcome to the channel guys, and today we have a F150. We're gonna change the lights for the lights for the plane lights and put an LED. So stay tuned, we're gonna be doing this right now. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's get right into it. So we take out these lights. You gotta push at the side here. You have an open space there, you push. And you will see right there, tap it out. Okay. And then you push on the other side. You gotta be careful because you don't try to break. You pop it out like this. So, and then you use press and pull. And the LED that we're using today is this one from Amazon, guys. So enough of people don't know that you could change this. They all cut the wire, guys, but I'm gonna show you. You don't have to cut the wire. You just take out the bulb like this. If you want to change the light, you can change the bulb too. And you take the bulb out, and then this piece, LED, this connector, goes right in here. Just like this. So guys, we're gonna try this and make sure we have it the right way, because we don't know which one is power or ground. I think it works the same way anyway. So we're gonna try the light. I'm gonna turn it on and see which one works. So that's your park light on right there. Look at this, guys. So, but first I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So, since we have a lot of water, and contamination going in that light, guys, I'm gonna put the silicone in here, just like this. Put some silicone. And that helps you from saving from water getting in, guys. You just make sure the silicone goes in with your connection, just like that. See? And guys, you put this to dry. And with the next one, you do the same thing. You put this in. Now guys, we don't really know which one is negative or positive, so we put it in and we're gonna try it to make sure we're not putting it the way before we silicone. So we're gonna go back again and turn the lights on. And guys, the park light is on, but we got not it's on, so it's working. So you see? So we got it the right way, and this is when now we're gonna make sure it's in. We're gonna add our silicone, and if you wanna use this silicone, you can use any silicone you want, but I choose to use this one because I have this in already. So you put some silicone inside the connector, just like this. And that way, when it dry, guys, it helps you from water coming in, because if you put in electrical tape, it won't help it as much because the truck, the water get up on the back. So guys, you just put these like this. You can put it in to dry and just leave it, or you can just put it in and then start it right away. So I put it in like this, snap it down, and then push this back inside. Push this back inside. Your choice. Turn it. Make sure you turn it to the number plate, and again you snap it in. So that's it, guys. So next one, and the silicone we have, guys, you don't run, is kind of thick, so put it back into this one too. Make sure it snap, push all the way in, make sure like turn to our plates, and then you snap it in, and there you go, guys. How to change your brake light for your F-150 truck, and most of the trucks, this work for them too. And guys, this also demonstrate that you can change your bulbs, but you have to take the connector from your connector, old one, and put it back there. So that's how you do it. Some people cut the line, but this is how you do it, guys. So remember, you could put silicone or electrical tape, but I put the silicone so it can be it could just keep the water out, and anything to keep the water out of electrical, guys, is a plus. So guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, give me a thumbs up, or don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your love and support, and guess what, I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.